Hi friends, I am recording this video because a lot of you are having a hard time with the dot plot assignment, and I want to make sure that I am giving clear directions. So the assignment is over here in Google Classroom. It says create a dot plot to show how many times students got tails when flipping a coin 10 times. Use the results from the Flipgrid video on Flipgrid. You need to draw a dot plot on a piece of paper, take a photo, and then upload it. So here's what you should be doing. Here's the Flipgrid. It's frozen. That means no one else can add videos. So we're only going to use the results that are listed here. So the assignment does not ask you to record a new Flipgrid. We've already done that. That was done last week. So we have 19 responses that we need to draw a dot plot. So the first thing you want to do is draw a number line like this. Okay, and then you're going to label it. So I'm going to label all the possibilities that someone could flip heads. So if you flip a coin 10 times, you could have 0 heads if you flipped all tails, or excuse me, we're doing tails. You could have 0 tails if they flipped all heads. You could have 1 tail if they flipped 1 tail and 9 heads, and so forth. So I'm going to number my number line from 0 to 10, because those are all the possibilities of tails that we could get. Okay, so that's what my number line looks like. And I'm going to put a title at the top, number, and I don't even care what it is. It has to be something related to what we're doing here. So I'm just going to put my title as number of tails. You can make it whatever. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to look at each of the results. So this first one, Morgan, had 6 heads and 4 tails. We don't care how many heads she had, but we want to know how many tails she had. So she had 4. So I'm going to go to my dot plot. I'm going to put a dot or an X, you can do either way, above the 4. Okay? Then I'm going to move to the next person, Lila. She had 6 tails. So I'm going to put a dot above the number 6. All right. Then I'm going to move to Morgan, did it again, I guess, or someone else did it. She had 3 tails. So I'm going to put a dot above the 3. Okay. And so on. I want to show you a couple more. Kayla had 5 tails. So I'm going to put a dot above the 5. And Claire had 7 tails. Dot above the 7. Mason had 3 tails. We already have something on the 3, so the next time someone gets 3, we're going to put a dot above the dot that we put previous. So, move me over here so you can see. Okay, so this is what you should be doing for your dot plot. All right, you need to be recording each instance of tails, the number of tails that each student flipped on the current 19 responses that are on the Flipgrid, and create your dot plot to look like this. All right, so hopefully that clears up the confusion. A lot of you were having a really hard time figuring out what I wanted you to do for this assignment. So I'm going to post this video, and hopefully that will help you to be able to complete the assignment. It should be a very easy assignment, so hopefully this clears things up. Send me an email if you have any more questions.